You guys remember this from
What's up,
algebra 2.
everybody? Welcome to the math group.
Okay. We're supposed to rewrite number 1 as a exponential equation. You guys remember the log stuff?
Kinda.
I know.
I erased it from my mind.
Here. It's basically ABC turns into ACB. Does that make any sense? So what this means is 4 to the second power equals 16.
I asked Drew what page
You guys
and he
remember
said
that?
it was on the board.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Drew.
Okay.
It's not his problem.
So ABC becomes ACB. So Matthew, how about number 3?
Well, did we do one already?
Okay, by the way, yeah, number 1 you would say log base 4 of 16 is 2.
Would it be 4 to the third?
4, oh, that's number 2, yeah. It's 4 to the 3rd.
Is
What's
that what
number,
you said?
no, number 3.
Oh. Is it 6 to the negative squared?
Yeah, 6 to the negative 2 equals,
1/36.
alright, so it's just ACB.
ACB.
Xander, have you done this before?
Nope.
Okay. Did what we just said make sense?
Yep.
The reason we use, well, the reason we have to use logs is to solve exponential equations, which that's more like, yes, tomorrow's assignment, but
What's the normal base of that number? It's 10, right?
yeah. On number 5,
So it's log 10, 1,000. Wait.
yeah,
Okay.
when they have no base, that means there's a 10 down there. It's called a common logarithm.
So it's 10 to the third equals 1,000.
Yeah, 10 to the 3rd equals 1,000. And your answer should make sense, right? If you put like 1,000 to the 3rd equals 10, that doesn't make any sense. But 10 to the 3rd does equal 1,000.
What the heck? What about when it
Okay.
has the squiggly lines?
That means about equal to. That means like. Okay,
Isn't it equivalent or something?
you guys probably forgot this one.
Yeah.
Remember what this is called the natural log? And does anybody remember what the base was for that?
E, right?
E, yeah.
I was gonna say
Oh, did you
that.
get that from your college class?
Yeah.
Wait, you're taking a college math class?
We did.
She used to.
Oh.
Okay, so this is basically log base E of 2.1 equals
Is that what you
8.
see?
So it's E to the 2.1 equals 8.
No. Which one?
Or about equal to, I guess, technically.
Was that a 5?
7.
That's
Oh,
Okay, number 9. What does it mean to say that x is the common logarithm of n? So let's start by just writing this as a log. If it's common log, what's our base?
10.
10. The common log, so another way to say it is the common logarithm of n is x. I kind of said it backwards. The common logarithm of n is x.
So it's
So what would that be as an exponential?
log, 10 to the x equals n.
Yeah, that's 980. 10 to the x equals n.
Log.
Okay. Actually, I didn't think we were supposed to know how to do number or letter B yet. 10 to the x equals 7.
Wait, is that just? Is it log 10 to the 7th equals
Oh,
x?
7.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, we're supposed to plug that. Let's try to find that in the calculator. Log. Common log of 7 for B.
8 or
Oh wait.
5.
Let's go like 4 decimal places. 5, 1.
it does have
I
log.
gotta find my log button.
It should
Uh-uh,
say.
log button.
It should
Usually
say
it's above
log.
the E button, I think, but maybe not.
What was number B?
I also have an LN.
Yeah, that's natural logs. We don't want that.
What was number B?
I wrote it on the board. They only went to 2 decimal places. Now that I look at the answer, that's okay. The B had another question though.
What?
They have
Didn't it?
number.
Didn't B 1 and 2.
Yeah, it says number 9, part B, number 1.
What was the point of that?
They're fun. That's math humor. It's funny. Okay, anyway. 10 to the x equal blah, 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 solve for x. So that would be the common log of 0.562.
Just ask a different question.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they're getting at.
Negative
Whoa.
0.2503.
Oh, I could see that.
Huh?
I said I could see that.
What'd you get, Matthew?
Negative 0.250.
Yeah, they just put negative 2.25. We'll do that. I don't know why they did that. Maybe just a little bit of repetition.
Matthew.
So on D, it's
Wait, are we
gonna
see?
yeah.
I did part 1 and 2.
C. What does it mean to say that x is the natural? What does it mean to say that x is the natural logarithm of n? So that was the next string, right? So natural logarithm, that's the ln thing, of n equals x. Isn't that how they said it? What does it mean to say that x is? They're kind of saying it backwards. I would say natural logarithm of n is x. But whatever. Anyway, what does this turn into? What's right here? E to the x equals n. D.
D1.
Solve D1, yeah. Solve e to the x equals 12. So if the base is e, we're gonna use natural logarithm e to the natural log of 12, basically.
2.48.
And then e to the x equals 0.06, so that would be natural log of 0.06.
I bet it's gonna be less than 2.48.
Negative 2.81.
And negative.
What are we going to?
20.
Mr. Church.
Can you see that far?
No.
Oh, is that why you were criticizing Drew earlier?
Yeah.
20.
Are you like trying to get new glasses?
What's your plan with your glasses?
I'm getting glasses like tomorrow or Wednesday.
What happened to your last pair?
So I broke 2 pair in a row.
In like
What?
a week?
How long? apart?
2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
2 days?
Yeah, so first day broke glasses, so I had like my old glasses and I
You
wore
broke
that.
those too?
The old glasses?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The next day.
How?
Basketball. Again.
Were you not wearing your strap?
And you
He
get-
was
I
wearing a
wasn't.
strap, that was the problem.
You need to get some goggles.
The strap
Yeah.
held on to the end and then broke off in here.
Oh.
You guys keep
Well,
punching
those
me,
words too
please.
small for your head.
What, those other ones? Yeah. That's
And
why
I was
they
watching a
broke.
college game last weekend and somebody had like a
On the face.
full, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it looked like the guy off of
How'd they breathe?
Silence of the Lambs. You guys probably have seen that movie. But probably should. It's a scary movie. Anyway, well, he had it was like a plastic around his eyes, and then it was like
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
it was like holes or but it was all clear.
Did he break
plastic.
his nose or something? Is that why?
I don't know.
Usually when they break their nose or something.
They
that's
wear
what
it.
wear.
Yeah.
That sucked to have the thing.
Do not use a calculator. Who gonna stop me? Who gonna stop me?
Okay, so number 11, we can do it faster without a calculator.
Come on.
Really?
Okay.
Come on.
We or you?
Yeah.
We 11a means 10 to the what equals
Third.
100.
10 to the
It's just
One or
1, 2,
2.
3.
yes.
Each time you multiply by a 10, another 10, it just adds a 0 on,
So
right?
we just write 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
11a is 2. So b, because it's the common log, right? There's no number down below. So it's 10 to the what equals 10,000.
4.
4. Just the number of zeros. Tells you how many 10s you need. C might throw us off. 10 to the what equals... How do you say 0.01 correctly? Technically correctly.
1 penny.
Over 100.
100th. 10 to the what equals 1/100th.
To the second.
Negative.
Negative second. Remember the negative exponent flips it upside down, so C is -2. So D is
Negative 3.
-4.
4.
Yeah, the decimal moved over a couple times. It's 1/10,000th. 10,000 has 4 zeros, like B. So it's -4. 13. Brady, what do you think 13 is?
Hold up. 2.
Right. 3 squared equals 9. Nevaeh, how about B? What do you think that might be?
3.
Yep. 3 to the third equals 27. Does anybody want to guess for C? I don't know how they wanted you to figure that out, to be honest, but
4.
5.
well, it's 5. 27 times 3 would be 81, not 243. So we need another 3 after that. So it's 5. So D, what the heck's going on
What's
there?
3 to the 8th?
Yeah, it's 3 to the what equals 3 to the 8th.
So 8.
So it's 8. Okay, and then 15. See, it's faster without a calculator.
No.
Plus
Not when it gets hard.
Plus on 13, you can't plug that in easily with a calculator because the base is not 10. 15, there is a trick though.
I'm gonna need that.
We're gonna have to, we'll learn the trick for tomorrow. 4 to the what? 64.
4. No.
4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64, so it's 3. So if 4 to the third is 64, 4 to the what is 1 over 64?
Negative 3.
-3. Okay, do you guys remember how to write
Oh my god.
this in exponential form? 4 to the 1/4. So that means 4 to the what equals 4 to the 1/4.
To the 1.
The 1/4, yeah.
So we just write
1/4. Yep.
0.
So yeah, D would be 4 to the what equals 1.
0.
0. Anything to the 0 is 1. 17. What's the base on?
Natural log of E.
You're right. What's the base for the natural log?
E.
E. So E to the what equals E?
1.
1.
B would be E to the what
2.
equals E squared? 2.
2.
C would be E to the what equals 1 over E?
Negative
-1.
1.
What is, for D, what is the square root of E in exponential form?
1/2.
Yeah. So E to the what equals E to the 1/2. 1/2. Alright, I forgot to look at this one. Given log is blah blah blah. Log blah blah blah.
No.
So on 19, what they're saying at the beginning, let's change that to a normal thing. Whatever they're saying with that first statement, log 4.17. What are they saying, Barry? What does that mean?
10 to the 0.6201 equals 4.17.
And then on A for number 19, it would be 10 to the, let's replace A, it's 10 to the what equals 4. Okay, how do you turn 4.17 into 417?
Move the decimal.
With the tens, when you're multiplying by tens,
You multiply
Like-
forward.
huh?
Square the 10.
Well, yeah, if we multiply by 10 twice, or 10 squared, that would turn that into that, right? So
2?
if you add 2 to this, that will give you the right exponent.
Like add 2.
Yeah.
So
You guys remember that,
2.6201?
yeah, 2.620, 211.
201?
201. 2.6201. Let me see if I can. So here, let's look at it like this. If we multiplied that last number by 100, it would move the decimal twice, right? And what do you do when you do 10 times 10? What do you do with the exponents? Add. So that's why it's adding, basically. When you add 10, the 2 exponent, that's like multiplying by another 100, basically. Anyway, on the third one, the 4.17 changed to 0.417. So how do you turn 4.17 into 0.417?
-1.
Right. So in other words, we're going to have to do 0.6201 minus 1, like negative
Should we use a calculator
3.7,
for that?
negative 0.3799.
What is it?
Negative
799. Make sure I get that right. Okay. And the last one, how do we change 4.17 into 0.0417?
-2.
Yeah, we gotta go backwards twice, divide by 100 basically, or times 10 to the -2, moves it backwards twice, so. Basically it's this minus 1, so.
9. Oh.
Yeah.
That's too easy, wasn't it?
No,
No.
You're okay with it?
I'll allow
Yeah.
it. But just this one time.
Alright, as long as Brady allows